You searched how to buy shares of Nexi S.P.A. Nexi is an Italian payments and fintech services company listed on CBOE under the ticker NEXI.MI. This video is educational only and does not constitute financial advice. To buy shares, you must use a broker, and we will use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After registering, you typically need to verify your account with an identity document and then add funds to trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker NEXI.MI to find the instrument. Select the line that matches Nexi S.P.A. to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to review recent movement. Confirm the issuer name and ticker to make sure this is the correct listing. Tap Invest, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Your open position will appear in your portfolio once executed or queued, and you can monitor it from there. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to explore the platform used in this walkthrough.